In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell a PDF on Gumroad in 2026. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. Then sign in to your account or create a new one if you don't already have one. You may also need to verify your email address before accessing your dashboard. After logging in, go to the Products section in the left sidebar and click New Product in the top right corner. Now select Digital Product because PDF files are considered digital products on Gumroad. Next, enter your product name. Try to make the title clear, attractive, and easy to understand so customers immediately know what your PDF is about. After that, choose your currency and set your product price. You can set a fixed price, allow customers to pay what they want, enable installment payments, automatically apply discount codes. Once you finish the basic setup, click Next and Customize. Now you can complete your product page by adding a detailed product description, a cover image or thumbnail, your PDF file upload, additional preview images if needed. Inside the description, explain the value of your PDF, what customers will learn, and why they should download it. For the file upload section, simply upload your PDF directly from your computer. You can also customize checkout options and add discounts if you want to increase conversions. Once everything is ready, click Save and Continue. Finally, click Publish to make your PDF live on your Gumroad store. Your customers will now be able to purchase and download the PDF automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.